To create a quiz within Google Forms, start by searching for Google Forms in your browser and clicking on the first link that appears. Log into your account, and if you're already logged in, click on Go to Forms at the bottom left of the screen. To make a quiz, select a new form and give it a name. Below the title, you can add subheadings. Next, go to the settings at the top center of the screen and click on Make Quiz to toggle it on. This will give you two options. Immediately after each submission, select this and then head back to your form. To create questions for your quiz, click on the plus icon and type in your question. Beside the question, you'll see a multiple choice option. Click on the drop-down arrow to select the type of question you want. For multiple choice, write your question and add options below. You can add as many options as you want, and then select the correct answer. You can also assign points to each question by clicking on the points icon at the top right of the question. Additionally, you can give feedback to the user for correct or incorrect answers by clicking on Add Feedback. Once you've set up your question, click Save and then Done. To add the next question, click on the plus icon again. Repeat the process of writing your question, adding options, selecting the correct answer, and assigning points. You can also give feedback for correct or incorrect answers. To view responses to your quiz, click on the Responses tab at the top center of the screen. You can also preview your Google form by clicking on the icon at the top right of the screen. To customize your form, click on the color palette icon at the top right and select a background color. To share your form, you can use the email option or copy and paste the link. Once you've shared your form, users can fill it out and submit their answers. You can then view their responses and scores.